Oh, hey everyone. Uh, just playing some of the new maps on Battlefield 1. I got the early access because I got the season pass. I'm playing Team Deathmatch on one of the new maps. I can't even pronounce the name, but it's pretty good. I don't normally play Team Deathmatch. I prefer Capture the Flag, but for some reason I've joined about 10 games and I just don't seem to be able to get onto Capture the Flag. So Team Deathmatch it is. But yeah, I don't know if anyone else plays Battlefield or not, but goddamn. But I've been playing it since the first Battlefield. Quite like it, like getting in the tanks and stuff, it's pretty cool. But yeah, this Team Deathmatch I've never really played much, so playing it on the new maps and playing it pretty much for the first time myself. Like, so I say, normally I play Capture the Flag, like. Goddamn. And as you can tell, with all my motorbike gear and stuff, I'm not doing too well. But yeah, just a quick update. It's pissing down the rain outside, so I'll give the bike a miss today, and I thought I'd show you a bit of the old ps4. Xbox still going alright. I gotta admit, the old controller, the old batteries, I'm quite impressed. I've got rechargeable batteries which you have to take out, right? And you have to, charge them up, right? But where is everyone? But yeah, I gotta admit, compared to the PS4 controller, they last for like 4 times longer. Is everyone dead or something? But yeah, I've hit 100,000 views on my channel. I've gained quite a few subscribers, which is all cool. So yeah, it's all good. On a bit of the old conquest, capture the flag. But yeah, been doing quite a lot of random gaming, like on the old PS2 and stuff, which is quite cool, playing some of the old games. And on the PS3 as well, I've been playing quite a lot of Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, right? Which is cool. Went online last night, someone was cheating like anything. There's like one-shotting people through walls and stuff like that. It's like, well, hardly surprising really. It's an old game now, so everyone's cheating on it really. So I played it a campaign like, which was kind of cool. And yeah, it was alright. But I played a bit of one of the old Resident Evils. I can't remember which one. 6 or something, I think it was. And I've never played Resident Evil. I want my sort of game back in the day. So yeah, so I've been playing that. and oh my god, quite enjoyed it. Like, so I'm thinking of getting the buying a PlayStation 1 off eBay or something, and buying all the old original games for PlayStation 1 and the PlayStation 2 and 3 and 4, and playing them all right through. I know you can get most of them for the PlayStation 4 now, they've remastered them, but I want to play the originals. So I'll probably be doing that in the next couple of weeks or so. But yeah, it's absolutely pissing down outside, and the wind is crazy, so I thought I'd just do a bit of random gaming. I'm not the best on the old Battlefield, but I don't play it enough anymore like I used to. I kind of get on like about 2-3 times a week now, because I get on the Xbox as well, on a bit of Halo and stuff, so, you know, I'm not like concentrating on sort of one game and acing it or whatever. But yeah, yeah, so let me know, guys, anyway, and girls, if you want to join me on a bit of Battlefield, if you don't mind dying lots. So anyway, hopefully next couple of days I'll get out on the bike and make a video on the old bike. So catch you all later, and maybe see you gaming as well. Tally ho.